Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the list options in Google Tasks to update your lists. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to tasks.google.com or access it from calendar.google.com. And when you have a list in front of you, you'll notice across from the list name is this little snowman menu, and immediately underneath it is the button to add a task. If you want to add a task to your list, just click on Add a Task, give it a title, details, whatever. Or if you click on the snowman menu, you'll see a number of options. First, you can sort the tasks in your list, either sort it by your order, sort it by date, whether or not it's been starred recently. Starred recently would typically be a task that is important in the immediate future. You can rename the list, you can delete the list, you can print the list, or if there are any completed tasks in the list, you can simply delete those and it will only remove tasks that have already been completed, leaving only the incomplete tasks left on the list.